Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of V.I Tech Academy YouTube channel. My name is Ratul and I'm your host for today's video. Guys, in today's video, we are going to learn about bookmarks. Bookmark is a useful feature of any browser where you can save your important websites, and not only this, you can also export your existing bookmarks and import to any other device, and there are many useful features of this. So in this video we are going to learn what is bookmarks, what is bookmark, how you can use this, and what is the actual use of bookmark. So if you want to learn more about this feature, do not skip the video, especially if you are a beginner. Before starting the video, if you are new in this channel, subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon, choose all notifications, because regularly we are uploading new videos for you. If you are interested to learn computer, like basic computer, advanced computer, basic to advanced web development, WordPress and much more, don't forget to join our courses. Visit the courses page from the about page of our YouTube channel and enroll as per your choice. If you are watching this video before 1st January 2025, then this is the best time to join our course, because Happy 25 sale is live. Now you will get 25% discount on most of our courses by using the code HAPPY25. For more details, check out our website. Okay guys, so what is bookmark? Bookmark is a feature of every browser, such as you are using Chrome browser or Edge browser, Brave browser, Safari or Firefox, whatever browser you are using, bookmark is a feature. Bookmark allows you to save your important URLs, and you can easily find them even if you are uninstalling the like if you signed out, or if you forget the website. Okay, if you forget the URL, for example you receive 100-200 URLs every day and you want to save them somewhere. So what you can do, you can take a notepad and there you can categorize everything, or then you can save all the URLs. But here you can save all of the URLs, you can categorize them as a folders and much more. So let's learn this. For this video I am using Chrome browser. If you wish, you can use any browser, and there you can get either bookmarks or favorites. Some browsers have the option called favorites. So let me open the Google Chrome.
Start toggle new tab, Google Chrome toolbar, address and search bar.
Okay, so I have opened the Google Chrome. Now suppose I want to visit a website called nvda.com. I have already made a video about this website, so if you want you can check out from our playlist. So I'm just going to nvda.com.
Nvda.com selected.
Okay, so now I have reached to this website. Now for example, suppose I want to save this website for future. Okay, so what I can do is I can create a bookmark by pressing Ctrl+D. Remember, your mode should be browse mode, not
navigation
this mode. This mode, okay? Using insert plus spacebar. I'm an NVDA user, so I'm using NVDA. So I'm pressing Ctrl+D.
Edit bookmark dialog, name folder to get your bookmarks on all your devices. Turn on sync. Bookmark name, edit selected Ninite. Install or update multiple apps at once.
So here you can change the name of the site if you wish.
Folder combo box software. Book close button. Book folder combo box software library collapse.
But I am not recommending you to do this for the first time. Okay, now see.
Folder combo box
folder
software library
software library. This software library folder I have created personally. Okay, I will show you how you can create the folder. Okay, now I'm choosing this one, I mean software library, and now I'm just going, I'm pressing tab.
Done but remove button 2 of 2. Done but remove but turn on sync button.
Turn on sync, so it will all of your devices will be synced. Okay.
Close button. Close turn on remove button. Done button 1 of 2.
Click on done button. So once you click on done button,
install or update multiple.
Then your bookmarks is saved. I have already saved another bookmark. Okay. So now my bookmarks has been saved. Okay, this site. Okay, so let's suppose I'm going to another what I can say, another website. Let's suppose goldwave.com.
New tab.
goldwave.com.
Selected in goldwave.com.
Now if I wish to save the same, okay, by default you will find one folder called all bookmarks or bookmarks bar. Okay, as I have created the folder, I am getting that. So now I'm pressing Control D.
Bookmark added dialog, name folder to get your bookmarks on all your devices.
And
folder
let's
combo box
save
software
it.
like done button 1. Gold wave audio and video.
Okay, so now let's suppose I am going to another website. For example, let's suppose IRCTC's website.
ctctc.c.com selected m selected in co n in .co selected. Lang. Bannerland IRCTC next generation e-ticketing system.
Okay, this is an Indian railway ticketing system platform. So this is like this is under travel, right? So if I wish, I can create another folder. So let's see. I'm just pressing Control D.
Bookmark added dialog name.
And I'm pressing Tab.
Folder com permission request expired alert. Folder combo box software library
No,
focus collect.
this is not a software. See, this folder I have created based on the type of website. Before earlier I logged in 2 software related websites. Okay, now I want to save this in a new folder. So how can I save? I'm pressing just down arrow. My focus is here.
Folder combo box software library focus collapsed.
Now I'm pressing down arrow.
Bookmarks bar.
Bookmarks bar. This is a existing folder. Whenever you're first time using, you'll get this option. Okay.
All bookmarks.
All bookmarks. Okay. All bookmarks is also there.
Bookmarks bar. Software library.
Okay.
Bookmarks bar.
Okay. So now focus on
All
these
bookmarks.
things. Go down.
Edit bookmark dialog name URL. Book IRCTC next generation e-ticketing system. Bookmark URL edit selected HTTP preview. Software library level 2.
Software library.
Level 1 other bookmarks expanded. Bookmarks bar level 1.
Bookmarks bar.
Other level 2 new folder button.
Just
1
tap.
3.
See. Tap and you will get new bookmark. Sorry.
New folder. Button
New
1
folder.
3.
So from here you can create the folder. Another way is also there. I'll show you. So let's suppose I am creating one folder from
Save
here.
And save new folder. Save but new folder button 1 of 3. Preview. New folder edit selected new folder.
Okay. So here I can just use anything. So let's suppose I am typing travel.
New folder edit focus travel. New folder button 1 of 3. Save button 2 of 3.
Click on save button.
IRCTC.
So travel folder is created and this site is saved in the travel folder. Now I just want to go to another website called booking.com, and if I want to save that, I can easily save that, but I will show you another option, another way to do it. Now how you can access all of these bookmarks? You have saved all of your bookmarks. Now you want to access the bookmark, right? So how you can access them? That is the main question. Before going that, I have one important announcement for you. Guys, we are going to start our foundation batch for the Reaper. So if you want to learn sound engineering, this is the best chance for you, because Reaper is a digital audio workstation. It's a professional audio editing software. It's not a general audio editing software. It's a digital audio workstation which you can use this to create anything you want in audio. Okay, it's a professional software. If you want to learn this, so join our Getting Started with Reaper course. If you register before January 1, 2025, you will get 25% discount by using happy25 code. Okay, so just go. I'll share this code in the pin comment, or if I'll share this code in the video description box. Just go to the video description box and you can register. Okay, already many people are there and few seats are left, so don't forget to join there if you want. Now let's come back to our video. Now I'm pressing Ctrl Shift O. This is the shortcut to open all of your bookmarks.
Bookmarks document, banner landmark, search bookmarks edit lang.
So here you can search all of the bookmarks. For example, let's suppose I want to open the Goldwave's URL. So what I can do is I can just search Goldwave, GOLDWAVE.
One item in bookmark
See,
list.
I just typed gold, 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 and it says one item in bookmark list. I'm pressing tab.
Gold. Clear search button.
Tab.
Organize menu button sub menu.
Tab.
Bookmark folder 3 preview. Bookmark star 1 of 2 level 2.
Tab.
Bookmark list table. Gold wave. Audio and
See.
video editing software and selected. 1 selected.
Just I'm pressing upload download to select it, and now I'm pressing enter.
Untitled Google Chrome. Gold wave.
And
audio
see,
and video editing
this
software.
website is opened. Now we don't need to remember all the times.
Toolbar.
Now I come back to the bookmarks area again.
More actions for gold wave. Toolbar. Bookmarks. More actions for gold
See,
wave.
more
audio
actions
and
for
video
gold
editing
wave. So
software
here
and
you can
page
remove.
menu.
See,
Edit one. Open an incognito window 9 of 9.
open in incognito window.
Edit 1 of 9.
Edit means you can change the URL, you can change the name, everything.
Show in folder 2 of 9.
Show in folder.
3 of 9.
Delete.
Cut 4 of 9.
Cut.
Copy 5
Copy.
of 9. Open a new tab 7 of
Open
9.
in new
Open
tab.
a new window 8 of
Open
9.
in new window.
Open an incognito window 9.
Open in
Edit 1 of 9.
incognito window. So edit. If you go to edit.
Edit bookmark dialog.
See.
Name edit focus gold wave audio and
So
video.
here you can change the name and then
URL edit required selected https /goldwolf.com/.
okay, so this is the URL in the sense of even you can particularly save a page. For example, you can bookmark our courses page. Okay, for example, our website is something called viTechAcademy.42web.io/live-trainings. So if you wish, you can set this URL, you can bookmark this URL, and you can easily find this.
Cancel button.
Okay,
Save button.
so cancel and save. I'm just doing the cancel because I'm not editing anything.
Toolbar. Address and search bar edit as auto-com. Search with Google Lens but bookmark list. Banner landmark. Search bookmarks edit selected. Blank.
So I'm just deleting this search also. Now after coming to this bookmark manager, I'm pressing tab.
Organize menu button sub menu.
Organize is here, so I'm just pressing enter on it.
Menu.
And see what's the option available.
Add new help center 6 of 6. Add new help
Center,
Add new bookmark.
add
2 of 6.
new bookmark. So when you press enter, it will ask for the name and the URL, then save button.
Add new folder 3 of 6.
Add new folder. So here you can also create a new folder.
Import bookmarks 4 of 6.
Import bookmarks. If you have existing any bookmarks which you have exported from the same browser, so that you can import those bookmarks to your device and you can easily use them. For example, you have 100-200 bookmarks and 40-50 folders. So if you want, you can export them. I'm just pressing down arrow.
Export bookmarks 5 of 6.
Export bookmarks. If you press enter here and
0
see,
selected. Save as dialog. File name.
See.
Combo box collapsed. Edit alt plus N selected bookmarks 122424.html.
so this is the bookmarks in HTML format. It's saved. So if you save this, if you export your existing bookmarks, you can easily import your bookmarks. Okay, and I hope it will work for every browsers in the sense of, if you save this bookmark from Chrome, you can import this in Brave also. Okay, I didn't do anything, but as it's a HTML file, I hope it will work. Okay, Edge browser, Chrome browser, Firefox browser, wherever you want, you can import. Okay, for Chrome browser, Ctrl+Shift+O is working. For other browsers, I don't know. If you wish, comment down the browser's name. I'll try to tell you the shortcut. First try with this, then I will tell you.
Bookmarks document. Bookmark folder 3 preview.
Okay, now see.
Star 1 of 2 level 2.
So here you can find all the bookmarks folder as a preview. I'm pressing down arrow.
Bookmarks expanded.
Other
Level 4 software library.
under other
expanded 1 of
bookmarks
1.
you will find your folders. Software library,
Level 6 travel 1 of 1.
travel.
Level 4 software library expanded 1 of 1. Level 6
Okay.
travel 1 of 1. Level 4 software library
Software
expanded 1 of
library.
1. Toolbar Chrome menu bookmarks bar preview item focused to other bookmarks level 4 software library expanded
pressing
1 of 1.
enter.
4 items in bookmark list.
Now see, it says 4 items. See,
Level 6 travel 1 of 1. Level 4 software bookmark list table software blind help project row
see,
not
this is
selected.
first,
Ninite installer update
Second.
mode, gold wave audio and video
Third.
travel row.
okay.
Gold wave audio Ninite software. Ninite gold with travel. Gold wave audio and video editing software and fun games row travel row.
See, travel is a subfolder which is created under this folder. Okay, so to create a new folder, okay, so if I press
Menu rename 1 of 8.
application key on this,
Delete 2 of 8 cut 3 of 8. Copy for open all rename 1 delete 2 of 8 cut 3 of 8.
so I just
1
cut.
selected. Bookmarks document. Clickable book. More actions for gold wave. Audio and gold. Bookmark folder 3 preview. Software library 1 of 1. Level 2 other bookmarks expand. 1 item in bookmark list. Bookmark list table. Software library. Menu. Delete 2 of 8. Cut 3 of copy. Paste 5 of 8. 1 selected.
So
Bookmark
I just moved this bookmark. I mean, move that training bookmark, which was added under software library. Why? Because when I added this, software library was by default selected. So make sure that you select the other bookmarks option, then create the folder. Or it's better to create the folder from this Control Shift O, bookmark manager. Okay, then use it. So this is how you can easily use bookmarks. Even if you wish, you can delete the folders also. I have already shown you. Just press application key on it and you will find the delete option to delete it. So this is all about the bookmarks. I hope you learned a lot, and this will help you to, this will actually enhance your browsing experience. If yes, please press the like button, like the video, share the video, and don't forget to let us know your opinion into the comment section. If you wish to join us on WhatsApp and Telegram, please follow our Telegram channel and WhatsApp channel. Links are given in the video description below, as well as in the pinned comment for WhatsApp channel. If you wish to join our community, don't forget to visit the about page. There we have given the link to join our WhatsApp group. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. See you in the next tutorial soon. Till then, stay safe, stay happy. Bye bye.